Consider a compound slab consisting of two different materials having equal thicknesses and thermal conductivities K and 2K respectively. The equivalent thermal conductivity of the slab is 4 by 3K. A wire of length L, area of cross section A is hanging from a fixed support. The length of the wire changes to L1 when mass m is suspended from its free end. The expression of Young's modulus is mgl by A into L1 minus L. A small sphere of radius r falls from rest in a viscous liquid. As a result, heat is produced due to viscous force. The rate of production of heat when the sphere attains its terminal velocity is proportional to r to the power of 5. The bulk modulus of a spherical object is B. If it is subjected to uniform pressure P, the fractional decrease in radius is P by 3B. Three liquids of densities P1, P2 and P3 with P1 greater than P2 greater than P3 having the same value of surface tension T rise to the same height in three identical capillaries. The angles of contact theta 1, theta 2 and theta 3 obey 0 is less than or equal to theta 1 less than theta 2 less than theta 3 less than pi by 2. A piece of iron is heated in a flame. It first becomes dull red, then becomes reddish yellow, and finally turns to white hot. The correct explanation for the above observation is possible by using Wien's displacement law. The wettability of a surface by a liquid depends primarily on the angle of contact between the surface and the liquid. The cylindrical tube of a spray pump has a radius r, one end of which has n fine holes, each of radius smaller. If the speed of the liquid in the tube is v, the speed of the ejection of the liquid through the holes is v capital R square by n small r square. Water rises to height h in capillary tube. If the length of capillary tube above the surface of water is made less than h, then water rises up to the top of the capillary tube and stays there without overflowing. Copper of fixed volume V is drawn into wire of length L. When this wire is subjected to a constant force F, the extension produced in the wire is delta L. Which of the following graph is a straight line? Delta L versus L2. A cylindrical metallic rod in the thermal contact with two reservoirs of heat at its two ends conducts an amount of heat Q in time T. The metallic rod is melted and the material is formed into a rod of half of the radius of the original rod. What is the amount of heat conducted by the new rod when placed in the thermal contact with the two reservoirs in time T? Answer is Q by 16.